Tourist Welcome is a motor lodge located in the Berkshires. It's an updated take on the mid-century motor lodge that works for outdoorsy families. Check in at the spacious main lodge and enjoy the roaring fire. From there, you'll grab your room key and head off to your room. You may want to repark your car to be closer to your exact room. The rooms are sparingly decorated with lots of untreated wood, but there's everything you need and lots of pretty touches. The window seats can be converted to beds for a full family stay. The bathrooms are clean and functional, again with little touches like seersucker robes. The location is right on the Hoosick River and all of the rooms have views. Step outside to enjoy the crisp air. The trails also connect to the Appalachian Trail, and there's lots of nature activities that embark right from the Tourist Welcome Motor Lodge. When it comes to food, you can order room service and have it delivered, or you can pick up your coffee back in the main lodge. The Airport Rooms is the local restaurant. It's steps away from the motor lodge. You can have a lovely meal and a custom craft cocktail. With a friendly staff and a great location, Tourist Welcome makes a great spot for your family adventures in the Berkshires.